Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AEZS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice price movement today. So we'll map out some levels of support and then talk about some areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be right here at $1.10. So if $1.10 can maintain the price, that would certainly be best case scenario. Now, if the price doesn't hold above it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above it, that would be the best sign of strength on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, down here at $1.05. So $1.10, $1.05, two key levels, near-term levels of support. Heck, if you want to call this a little support zone right there, between $1.10 and $1.05, I think that would make logical sense. Taking a step back, though, and looking at the big picture of things. So maybe you're thinking, well, Clay, how can I just measure the health of the overall move? Is there a way to do that? And yes, since charts are so awesome, there's a very logical way to do it, and that revolves around the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line's going to continue to move its way upwards like that. Maybe you're thinking, oh, that looks like a trend line. Yeah, that's very logical. In fact, I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people. If you don't like to draw a trend line, well, just let the moving average draw it for you. So when you stop and think about it, okay, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself needs to continue to increase over time, and that by definition is what a healthy bullish move is, right? So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they basically insult your intelligence. So again, easy way to look at this, the bulls are in full health as long as the price stays above that purple line going forward. What about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time. The sellers stepped in today and kind of rained on the party right up there around the $1.20 mark. So $1.20, public enemy number one going into next week. But no doubt about it, very nice day today. Nice way to close out the week. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.